Hello, welcome back. This will be our last section with dealing with solving systems of equations by multiplying and addition, subtraction. This is more of a bonus problem than anything else, just showing you how to handle it when you have fractions. What if you have a over 4 plus b over 3 is equal to 2? That's the first equation. Second equation is a over 2 minus b is equal to negative 1. Now there are multiple ways to go about solving the system of equations. You could obviously graph them, you could do substitution, there's lots of things you can do. We're going to try to add them together or subtract them, but we need to multiply the top equation by something and also separately multiply the bottom equation by something to make it happen. So I'm going to show you the way I'll solve the problem. We're going to do the entire solution, and then at the end I'm going to go back and show you two different ways. I'm not going to do all the work, but I'll show you two different strategies for how you could go about solving these things. So I'm just going to show you what I thought of the first time. So let me go off and write this system again over here. A over 4 plus b over 3 is equal to 2. And then we have a over 2 minus b is equal to negative 1. Now I'm going to attempt to cancel the a variables. I want to be able to add these together or subtract them and get rid of them. But I have these nasty fractions, a 4 in the bottom and a 2 in the bottom. But if I multiply the top equation by the number 4, think about the number 4 being multiplied here, it's going to cancel. I'm just going to have an a left. And then if I separately multiply the bottom equation by 2, the 2's would cancel, leaving me with just an a left. So by multiplying the top by 4 and the bottom by 2, I'm going to have a and a left over, which I can then subtract. So I'm going to multiply the top equation by 4, which I have to do to both sides. And then I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by 2, which I have to do to both sides. So down below, I will go ahead and write that down. Now when you have 4 times a over 4, the 4's cancel, so all you really have left here, I'm going to do blue here, is going to be a. Then you have plus, this 4 gets multiplied by b over 3, so it's going to be exactly what it sounds like, 4 times b over 3. That's what's on the left. On the right, 2 times 4 is 8. All right, so we just write 8 on the right-hand side. Now we turn our attention to the second equation. 2 times a over 2, the 2's cancel. I'm just left with a on the bottom. And 2 times negative b is going to give you negative 2b. And then on the right-hand side, the 1 times the negative 2 gives you negative 2. All right, so I look at this, and I say, well, I have an a here and an a here. I can't really add them. That would give me 2a, so I need to subtract them. So I'm going to put a subtraction symbol there and draw a line. Now, before I go any further,